Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A1 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all you have to open your phone the other, then go to keypad and here we can enter the codes. Let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#, and here you've got your email number. So right after you enter the code, your email number will be displayed and tap on OK. This is definitely the quickest way to reach email number. Another code that you can use is *#, *225, #*. So here you've got the calendar info. Once you enter this code, you can reach every upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your OPPO, with your device. Let's go back. And the last code that I want to show you today is *#, *426, ***. So here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can see events and status. And once you want to enroll advanced view, if you want to get a bit more knowledge, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So that's it. And actually these are all codes that I wanted to show you today. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.